My adjournment matter is for the Attorney-General. The Victorian Government should provide funding for people who wish to bring civil proceedings against a non-institutional defendant for sexual assault where A. their cases raise important systematic or legal issues, or B. they face multiple barriers to justice and their case has reasonable prospects of success. This was recommendation 41 of the Victorian Law Reform Commission's 2021 report into Improving the Justice System, Responses to Sexual Offences. Civil litigation can provide an alternative to criminal justice where someone does not want to report sexual violence to police, the police or the Director of Public Prosecutions decides not to prosecute, or where a criminal trial occurs but the accused is found not guilty. We know that these experiences are common, and when it comes to reporting sexual assaults, survivors are understandably reluctant. They see it in the news and they hear it from their friends. Survivors go through hell and back to get even to get into court. And then they are often judged, ridiculed, and left with nothing. With a lower standard of proof, civil litigation means a survivor is more likely to be successful. It can also help a survivor to receive damages, an acknowledgement of the violence and its impacts, and a sense of closure. Beyond this, it allows us to send a message that sexual violence has serious consequences and that survivors will get the justice they deserve. Notwithstanding these benefits, civil litigation for sexual assault does have drawbacks. It is not funded by Victorian legal aid and can be costly, lengthy and re-traumatising. Aboriginal people with disabilities and LGBTIQA+ communities are more likely to experience sexual violence and are also more likely to experience barriers to access justice. This is why the Victorian Law Reform Commission's recommendation is so essential. But to date, this government has failed to respond to this recommendation. So I ask, will the Attorney-General agree to recommendation 41 of the Victorian Law Reform Commission's report and ensure access to justice for survivors of sexual assault? Thank you.